Hi, I'm Heidi, and today I'm going to show you how you can use the VariQuest Cutout Maker to create professional quality vinyl signs and decals for your school without the need to outsource. Now, what you need to create these different signs and decals is, first of all, the VariQuest Cutout Maker 1800. You also need the VariQuest software 3.1. If you don't have 3.1, please visit our website www.variquest.com to request an upgrade kit. You will also need the VariQuest Sign and Decal Supply Kit. The contents of the kit include 24 sheets of VariQuest vinyl in assorted colors, 10 aluminum signs that are blank and white, a roll of transfer tape, a weeding tool and a squeegee, and a bottle of application and removal fluid. Now let's create a sign. To get started, select the Cutout Maker button from the main menu of the software, go into Shapes, touch Browse Categories, view your categories on the left column of your screen, scroll down until you see Signs and Decals displayed, tap on it to select it. Proceed to select your subcategory. In this case, I'm going to select General Signage. Here is where you can preview the pre-designed templates. Tap on the one that you want to create, which in this case is going to be the exit sign. Tap OK to actually select it, and then proceed to touch Next to get to the material size and type screen. Here's where you want to be sure to put a check in the box next to the 12 by 18 inch material size. Under Material Type, be sure to put a check in the box next to VariQuest vinyl sheets. Proceed to tap Next. You're now ready to cut your job. You simply want to follow the instructions on the display of your Cutout Maker. The next thing you want to do is position your vinyl sheet on the Cutout Maker mat and follow the instructions on the Cutout Maker display. You want to press go, smooth your vinyl down, press go, and it begins to cut. So now it's done cutting. You want to lift the vinyl off the mat, and now I'm going to show you how to mount it on a sign. So as mentioned earlier, another effective application for vinyl is creating school spirit and car decals. To get started, proceed to tap on Cutout Maker from the main menu, like I showed you earlier. Tap Shapes, browse Categories, and again, from your Categories section, you want to be sure to select Signs and Decals. And this time I'm going to leave it with the subcategory of Basic Layouts. As you can see through the VariQuest software, there are a number of basic layouts that you can choose that consist of text boxes and graphic boxes, ideal for customizing your decal specific to your school or specific to that fundraising event. In this case, I'm going to choose this particular basic layout, which gives me a graphic box and a text box. And let me show you how easy it is when you go to the edit screen to fill in that information. I am going to actually create an honor roll decal. So I touch or tap on the text box first, proceed to touch edit text, and from the touchscreen keyboard I can type what I want it to say. So I'm going to type in the words honor roll. Proceed to touch OK, and it saves it right there. While it's still highlighted, I can tap on Fonts, preview a font library, and select whatever font style I want to change it to. Tap OK again to go back to the edit screen. So next I'm going to add a graphic. I have an empty graphic box which I can select, and then select Graphics. I can search by keyword and type in the keyword to narrow my search. Here I typed in star, I see the star that I want, I tap on it, I tap OK, and it saves it onto the template. Now you can also get into some advanced editing. When I tap on that button, I'm able to resize my objects and move things around. So again, keeping in mind this is most likely going to go on the back of a car window, I'm going to move the honor roll words up and then drag my star underneath the word honor roll and resize it a bit so it's not going to be too big for my car window. When you're done, just touch OK. Proceed to tap the next button. I've already cut it out and I'm going to show that to you in a few minutes. But at this point I want to go back to the beginning, because in addition to creating these awesome school spirit decals, you can also, as mentioned, use the vinyl application for cutting window lettering that can apply to any classroom or school building window on the exterior or interior of that window. So, as I've done before, you select shapes, you browse categories, you stay in signs and decals. Again, from the basic layouts category, or subcategory, I can choose the layout that I want. So this is exactly how we did the school spirit decal. Here I chose a template that has 3 text boxes. So I can tap on each individual text box, tap edit text, and populate those text boxes with whatever text I want containing that important school information. I have already cut it out, so I'm going to show you now what it looks like. Here's the Honor Student decal, which is ideal for mounting onto a locker or the back of a car window. And then here is the window lettering containing some very important school information, ideal for mounting on the outside of the main office window. When you go to apply the window lettering or the decal, you want to follow the exact same process that I showed you earlier when applying vinyl to a sign. You want to use your transfer tape, the application fluid, the squeegee to remove the vinyl onto the transfer tape. Apply it to your surface, use the squeegee again, remove the transfer tape to see your final product. So that concludes today's video. I hope you learned how effective the vinyl application feature can be in creating professional quality signs and decals for your school. For more information, please contact your local VeriQuest dealer or the VeriQuest team at 1-800-328-0585 or customer service at veriquest.com.